thing with one-way streets is you've got to be careful not to go down the wrong way, because that's wrong. It's dangerous. You're going to have an accident. So it's two-way at the moment, one way at the end of here. You can see on the ground there's a white arrow saying left only, and there's a solid white line, so I can't really see on the right, so I'm definitely stopping anyway. I'm checking and I'm making a move. Now, you see the blue sign then saying one way, and then straight away we've got arrows on the ground saying one way. We've got another blue sign on the right saying one way. And we're going to go right, because we're allowed to go right. Centre mirror right, signalling. Now important, if you're going to go right on a one-way street, you want to be in the right side. There's a two-way sign there at the same time. Checking to the right and left. And I'm going now back onto two-way traffic, back to your left side. Follow it round. Taking me time, no rush. Because even though it's a quiet area, there's some building work going on. So what you're going to get at the end of a one-way street is a no entry sign, which is this sort of sign you're going to see on the screen now. So we're taking the next available right, which is not the first one because that's no entry, it's the one after it. And you can see as we go around there's no entry. You can see on the ground there the double dash line for cars coming out to give way. We're going to go right at the next one, centre mirror right. It's definitely clear. And we're going to go in here. Now there's no one-way street sign here straight away, but on the ground there's an arrow saying one way. On the right there's an arrow saying one way. So it's there to help you. If we wanted to come off here, we'd have to go around the truck, but we're going to go around. So we're on a one-way at the moment. And we're going to come off here, centre mirror left. Because it's going to go, you can see the difference in the lane markings. On the right there, it's a giveaway, and the one's at entrance. So we're back on a two-way. One-way street again, so it's centre mirror left, signalling, someone's in your face, difficult to see, so you're going to play it safe. Check in, and going round. You're going to go left, centre mirror left, in the left side, because if you have two lanes, you want to be in the left lane. If you're going to go right, you want to be in the right lane. We're going to go left into this side road here, centre mirror left, signalling. Around. Oops. So we're going the wrong way there on a one-way street. That's not good, Mr. Postal Man. And we're going to follow it round. And that's what you're going to get, people sometimes doing wrong. And there's got no excuse, that Postal Man, because there was a blue sign there saying one way. So right at the end, centre mirror right. So we'll go down that street. So you can see the postal van on the right there. It's gone the wrong way deliberately. He could have pulled up here and walked across. We've got to go left, simple as that. Centre mirror left, signalling left. So wrong, Mr. Postal Man. Should know better. Let's move on to a busy road now. We're in a busier area now. And the problem with busier areas is a lot more cars, a lot more pedestrians, a lot more distractions. So the problem there, I'm just going to wait here while that bus gets in, because there's a learner trying to get through at the same time. Now beyond the bus is a one-way street. I can just see the sign. Is that learner going to go? Yeah. Another car behind, another learner actually. Two learners. Here we go. Crossroads coming up. Now beyond the Crossroads is a one-way street. You can see the sign, the blue sign. I'll show you sort of sign you're looking for now. But there are distractions, you know, pedestrians, possibly cars going the wrong way, as we've seen with the postal van before. And like I said in the previous part of this video, if you're going to go right, you want to be in the right lane. If you're going to go left, you want to be in the left lane. So we're going to go left at this point, centre mirror left. We're just going to check that it's safe. Yeah, it's safe now. And then we're going to do a right turn, centre mirror right. Let's get out of the way. Now I'm looking down the road I'm going to go into. It's definitely a one-way street. I can see the white line going across the road, and I can see the one-way street signs on there. Come on, waiting for you. Sightseeing then she was. There's one-way street on either side. We're going to do a right turn down here, centre mirror right. I'm going to go a little bit wide to get a better position, because it's going to be two-way at this point. And there's no sign saying two-way, but just look at the traffic. A lot of traffic's pointing in opposite direction. And there's a sign there saying no left turn, so that's a one-way street on our left. That's Crossroads. So we're going to do a right turn, centre mirror right. And remember, I'm not going to go on the right, it's not one way. There's your no entry sign on the left. So there's lots of cars, lots of distractions, lots of things that can go wrong. Left at the end of it, centre mirror left. Remember, if you're going to go right, you're in the right lane. Checking to right and left, because it becomes a two-way. On the left there's a red no entry sign, red circle with a white line going across it, and before it there's a blue sign saying follow the road round to the right. It's reminding you. And then just where that people are now, there's a one-way street sign. Now at the Crossroads we're going to turn right. Remember, we want to be in the right side, centre mirror right. And there's a two-way traffic sign there with the red triangle warning you it's going to become two-way traffic. So we're slowing down to check. And then we go in. So there's definitely lots of distractions in a busier area. So if you're learning one way and this has helped you, fantastic. And remember, keep an eye out for signs, watch out for pedestrians, watch out for people going the wrong way in cars and trucks. It does happen. And good luck on your lessons. I'll let this car get out of the way, because they're kind of in the middle there. There's another one following him. And just being a bit cheeky now, the others, but that's fine. I'm safe here.